Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace headlight bulbs. Okay, those right here, left, right will be the same procedure, but we'll show you on the left driver's side on a Volkswagen Jetta MK5 or Golf MK5. Stay with us, guys, and we'll show you how to do that now. Alright guys, what you need to do, you need to open the hood first. We're going to show you on the driver's side, but it will be the same for both as we said. And that's where the headlight bulbs are located, right here in the back. Okay, let me show you. You can access them from the back without removing the headlight itself. Okay, that cap right here, that's for the outside bulb, which is right here, and this is low beams right here. So in order to remove this one, okay, you need to turn it counterclockwise. Okay, like that. It's very limited room, we're trying our best to show you. Okay, and you can pull the cap out of there. Okay, you can see you even have open close on it. After that, the bulb, you just turn it by hand. That's the bulb, that gray thing right there. Again, counterclockwise. Okay, well, actually it's clockwise, this one. Clockwise, and you pull it out. Okay, and that's the bulb right there. And when you replace that thing, never touch it with your fingers actually. You can pull it out of the plastic and replace it with a new one. You don't buy the whole thing. Okay, let me show you. Just grab it and pull it, but never touch the new finger with the new bulb with your fingers, because the oil from your fingers will burn the new bulb. Okay, and then you just get the new one, push it back in. Okay, and you need to make sure everything lines up good there. And we're going to install it now. Okay, it's just the same way we took it apart. Okay, it goes on in a specific angle, otherwise it will not get in there. Okay, you need to make sure that you find it. And you lock it going clockwise, counterclockwise this time, and you can always check the bulb from the front if it's lining up or not. And you need to not to forget to install the lid back on. Okay, this time we should go clockwise. Okay, it's closed, and now the low beam is located right there. You can see that's where it is. You need to pull that rubber seal out. That's a cap. Okay, and that's the bulb piece. And now trying to explain where the thing is and how to do it. It's very limited room, and we'll see how we can explain and show you the best. Okay, now that spring right there, you need to push on it and pull it to the driver's side, to the side, and it will unlock it. Okay, like that. You can see it's unlocked now, and that's the only thing holding the bulb there. Okay, and actually you can go ahead and remove it now. It's so limited room there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and install the spring actually, so we can pull the wires, because they're pretty tight and it's almost impossible to get to it. But if you cannot get to it, we have a video, okay, on our channel how to actually remove the headlight and do it that way. Alright guys, and if you grab it, you can pull it out. Okay, that's the wires right here. Let me get a little bit of light so you can see better. So you just pull them out, and now you can go ahead and remove the spring, push down and go towards the driver's side, lift up, and just grab the bulb. Okay, and you can pull it out. Okay, without you can remove actually the air filter box, and you can get it that way. We have that video as well. So if you have problems with that, you can do it. And that's a headlight bulb right here. So pretty easy. I mean, easy if you have small hands. If not, you're in trouble. And you just get the new one and install it the same way. You need to make sure that you have the wires out of the way. Then you need to get the bulb. After that, the spring, and the last thing is actually the wires. Okay, and it goes only in a certain spot. Alright guys, so we got to the point that we had to remove the headlight because of that stupid spring. Okay, we'll show you, that's how it goes in. Okay, let me get a better light. Okay, right there. So now you can see it needs to go in a specific way on top. And we'll show exactly how to install the headlight bulb and the wires as well, because it might happen to you. I mean, it's not complicated, but if that spring comes off, it's pain in the butt to do that. Okay, now we need to go ahead and install the headlight bulb and the spring. Okay, it goes on both sides in like that, locks it pretty good. And next thing, we need to just push the wires there, and those you just push it in. Okay, like that. Alright guys, next thing all we have to do, just push that rubber seal in, and that's it. We're gonna go ahead and install it now. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. We tried to do everything possible scenario to show you what could happen and how to fix it. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.